Is this working? Yes, okay, now it's working. Hello! My microphone decided to not be set up in OBS again. But that's good. I'm back here now. Hi. Anyways, yeah. Back in Trainz 22, doing some more session creation. Tired, of course. No better way. No better way of doing stuff. Anyways, let's deal with this. Let's make another session, shall we? What could possibly go wrong, right? So let's start adding session rules that I might end up using. A couple from. Okay, there we go. It's good. Is it actually? Hold on. Let me go on Twitch. Need to check. It's actually working. Okay, it is. Good. I'm gonna announce the stream as well that I've decided to just stream all over nowhere. Alright then. Let me just do this real quick. Okay, so session number 7, I believe what I'm working on right now. Yes, okay. 18th June 1948. I need to set it up over here as well. June 18th, we're gonna be more like in the morning. So let's just do big drive rule. It's gonna be 8-ish or 9 to 8:31. Realistic metric. None of that. Okay, good. I'm gonna prepare this so that it exists. I'm gonna change it up some another time. I'm gonna need order drill list. Gonna do SEP over there. I'm gonna do weather control. Lowest chance every 3 minutes with a what? 10%? No, let's do 50% chance. There's a 50% chance for this, 30% chance for that, and 20% chance for that. Okay. Alright. One thing I forgot is to put the chat on the screen. Oh, might interfere with. I like editing the session rules on this side of the screen, but that's also the side where the chat is going to be. That's a little bit annoying, but whatever. We can live with that. You can live with that. I definitely can. I don't care. Yeah, it's gonna be the player train over here. I want this to be just like a little nicer session, shorter one, preferably. But yeah, doing stuff in winter now. Woohoo! I would have thought I would have gotten to this time and era. Right. Oh, these are very interesting train cars. That's very interesting as well. Anyways, I want to stick to these things. All right. I need this Kiplor, or Kiplor or whatever it is. Train cars. So what's this? I'll do grain XVG on it. Do one on all of them. Huh? It's very interesting. Is this? I think there might be slightly more capacity than I thought it would be. Okay, never mind. What's that? That's 4,000 capacity. Let's do 4,000 divided by 850. We will get 4.7 cars. So yeah, 5 cars essentially for this. That's gonna work. It's gonna be good. But yeah. Process is going to produce 50 items in 30 seconds. How about you're not going to produce anything? I think the cars will just automatically load. Or will they? You know what? I might as well just load them all already. Because I want this to be relatively simpler. I think I'm just gonna have it go from here, honestly. I'm not even gonna utilize the big steamer engine either. So sugar beets. Okay, that doesn't do anything over here, which is good. So yeah, just a little bit of grain in that consist. What about you? Coal, hardware, feltbound goods. Okay, just knitting, grain, flour bags. Okay. That's right. I kind of forgot that I actually had flour bags. But yeah. Hello, Trainz. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. I hope the sound's working good. Right? You can hear me, right? Hold on. Didn't check properly, but I think you can hear me, right? You have to. Yes. Yes, you can. Okay, that works. You can indeed hear me. Sounds good here. Okay. Yeah. Never mind. Yeah. Okay. I would like to transport some pelletized goods. And in this case, I would like to get the flour. Flour back pellet. I wonder, how does that look on the train car? Oh, that looks interesting. Okay. I'm gonna do a bit more mixed stuff. That. I'll do flour back palette. There we go. And one more here. There we go. Let's rotate it around a little bit to give it a bit more randomness. Okay. You know what? Let's actually have it be taken with this engine. I'm gonna spice it up a little bit as well. Well, not the transport, but I'm gonna spice up the location slightly better. Like this. I do not want any passengers. Keep that here. Single passenger train car this time around. It's gonna make it easier. Okay. So, should be easy. Just tell the player to couple up to this and then head out. It's gonna be it. Milton Valley. I need to double check these cars because, yeah, okay, interesting. Not, I don't think Shared Ice created those, but I think I know who made them. I'm gonna keep a few of these train cars over here, like that. Okay, and from here on out, there's gonna be the player going down. Haven't found a suitable job for these hopper cars yet. Kinda have to find some suitable work for them though. What can they transport? It's only this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna give him one load of logs, I guess. As support beams for the mines, stuff over here. A little bit of a limestone mine here. It's not the greatest when it comes to snow detail, but honestly, I couldn't be bothered to make it any better. It's good enough, really. Okay, anyways. Player train continues further downhill and simply just goes here. That's gonna be pretty much it. Just a short little 15-minute, not even that, drive from the farm down to the hill, down to the brewery, bakery. But yeah, there's some cool stuff over there. I'm gonna put the keeper rollers over here, and I'm gonna fill them up as well. Okay. Wait. Oh, there is a junction. Okay. I got scared. I forgot about that. And I want to populate this area as well. Where's the boxcars? I think I might be blind. There they are. But yeah. Oh, why is there grass here? Mm-hmm. Just go away already. How much more grass do I have to keep deleting in this location for it to finally be gone? Is there some more grass somewhere in here anywhere? Doesn't look like it anymore. Jesus, man. Swear to God, I just keep finding more and more grass on the road where it's not supposed to be. Whatever. Happens. Okay. Gonna have the player deliver there? Sugar bag and flour bag. You know what? I'm gonna actually move these things then. I'm gonna have the player actually like properly deliver and unload. There are the passengers on the other stations as well. Because they're not wanted right now. I need to utilize this farm more. I'll figure it out eventually. Like what to do with the farm. But yeah, it's winter, there isn't that much work to be done on the farms, so I'm not really like too worried or keen on doing a lot of stuff in here. So there's that. But yeah, eventually in the end I will have to do some shunting sessions around here as well. Because this is a prime route for shunting. You know, coal mine over here, we've got the harbor down there. The farms can use some shunting. The bakery could use some shunting. The logging industry, not really, but then we have another industry area up here. That one could use some shunting as well, so yeah. A lot of options and possibilities over here. So yeah. Let's Alright. And a couple on that one. AI1. Yes, okay. It's pretty much going to be the one and only AI. And yeah, I'll need to figure out how to get it to traverse this here. It's gonna be too long. I'm just gonna do 3-car like that. I'm just gonna send it up and over. When it gets up here, I'm just gonna have it delete itself. Okay, AI1. AI1 stop 1. Be enough. We'll reach that, stop, turn around. AI1 stop 2. We'll reach that, turn around, and then head up until it reaches AI1 end. And when it does, it's going to stop and delete itself. That will work. Right? Yeah, of course that will work. Now the player needs some track marks. I have not one depart, we're gonna have a 2 depart. And put in a session there. Okay, good. 2 depart. 3 is the limestone quarry. We'll pass by that one. Okay. 4 is gonna be turn right. And I have the player stop and wait here. And then once the AI train passes by, the player will get this entire yard to work with. And also going to be to unload the cargo over there. So yeah, or turn right. Just for curiosity, how many scenery assets are created for this route? The old buildings look really nice. You mean as in specifically created for this route? If you're asking like specifically, what's the word? Like tailored for this route? Yeah, okay, you are. None. None of the assets are specifically tailored for this route. Mainly because I don't know how to make stuff myself. But at the same time, I don't really feel the need to make stuff myself, and I've always managed to find a way to get around the limitations of what is created. So yeah, it rarely is an issue that I cannot do what I want to do. But yeah, none of the assets used have been specifically tailored for this route. Everything is available for free on the DLS, made with their own little purpose in mind. Let's do it like this. Let's give the player freedom. It's going to be the unload location for the food and stuff like that. Okay, hold on, I wonder. Did I really just place that? Let's name it temporary hide. I'm going to do an actual hide. But, no, 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 no. I don't want that. I don't need that. I don't need. I don't want to hide those boxes because they are quite needed there to make the facade work better. Okay. I'll be unloading there. Gonna give the player the entire yard. Right. Let's do a little bit of scripting and programming for this. Alright. So let's continue with like the story likeness of this entire set of sessions. What do we have in our disposal as for characters? This is Thomas's farm? Yeah, okay, this is Thomas's farm. So let's run with character being named Thomas. So, hey, Thomas, what's up? And this is gonna be fun because, per the lore of this route, the player is playing a character called Thomas, and the owner of this farm is called Thomas. So essentially, you have Thomas and Thomas talking on each other. Do you want? No, not do you want me to? They want me to bring some extra flour to the brewery. Do you have the cars? Let me just do it like this. I'm gonna save that basically. If they are right by the windmill. Just finish loading them. Yep, just like this. Alright, thank you. By the way, do you have any don't think idea is going to be the right way to structure this sentence. By the way, do you have any idea how bad the situation really is? No, I do not know how much food we lost, but I do not know how much food we have lost, but I expect it to be a lot. How many train cars have you guys managed to save? Only around 60 train cars of food and produce. That's not good. Really not good. No. Storages together held roughly 600 train cars of food. I guess the general plan is to run overtime at the brewery to make up for all the lost food. Who's spoken last? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Timothy also told me that the Lord is requesting additional supplies for us to survive the winter, but it will take several weeks for any of that to get here. We have roughly 2 weeks worth of food left. That is really not good. I sure hope this extra flour will be helpful. I have a lot of it in the storage here, so I can send it out. No, so I can send out more if it will be needed. That's good. We need some more reserves. Anyways, I will head off. I heard they want to run the bakery all day long today. Yeah. See you later. Alright, when that entire exchange is gonna be completed, we're gonna hop into simultaneous list. And now we're gonna get the objective. We're gonna get a navigation display. We're gonna get anything else? No. Okay. Just these two. Oh no, we will have one more thing. Control type. Gonna be ask user. Navigation display. Why is it so small? Be bigger. Unix at 001. Train player. This one. Yep. Good. Save changes for now. I'm gonna add objective ID one. Couple. Icon is gonna be couple. Couple the flower. No, hold on. Couple the train cars filled with flour. I'll do. I do not have any tarp to cover them though, so be careful. Hopefully they will not get too wet. That's absolutely amazing. Bagged flour and open cars, hoping that it will not get too wet while it's snowing. What could possibly go wrong? Am I right? All right. Let's save. Keep it in check and everything. Navigation display is gonna be first couple. I'm gonna do a couple on it. Couple that's gonna be automatic, and then we're gonna have to depart. Gonna be 3 limestone quarry. And then number 4 is gonna be turn right. And number 5 is gonna be unload. It's gonna be automatic. It's going to be manual. That's manual. These are all automatic. Okay. Gonna be part plus stone quarry. It's gonna be wait. No, it's gonna be stop and wait like that. Gonna be manual. It's gonna be stop icon. Gonna be unload. We're gonna do a unload icon on that. Good. Okay. Hello, Hans. Hello, indeed. Good to see you here. I know what I forgot. Rank session begin. It's gonna be 4, 3, 2, 100. There's gonna be none of that kind of stuff. Okay. Do check side. I'm gonna put it there. And now I have to figure out all the other stuff. Right. All these junctions are set, aren't they? Yes, okay. Just gonna do a local junctions then. That. Edit for player. Yep. To leave. Is that Thomas Farm? 05. I'll do a set junction on that. Search for Thomas Farm 05, and it's gonna be switched to the left. Block AI control. Wonderful. Right, so that means the player can just couple up and then yonk out of here. Those are good. That's good. That's also good. Wonderful. I'm gonna go through here. Those are also good, I believe. Yes. Okay. Nice. Gonna do an one activate. I need to add a speed limit for this guy. There we go. Like that. He will just head out. It's funny. Nope. There we go. Enter. AI activate. There we go. And it. Yep. Okay. Get rid of that. Driver setup. Get rid of this. There's no. Yes. Gonna do Parer Uno. That's gonna be for the player train. Yes, keep it also that good. I'm also gonna do a set camera. External view, which vehicle? Player. Good. Okay. Let's clone that. This, remove. We're gonna do far 2. AI. AI. Wonderful. Okay. So now whistle. Stop at track mark. AI1 stop 1. Change direction. Autopilot. AI1 stop 2. Am I blind? Change direction. And then AI1 end. Wait for, I don't know, so gonna load passengers, left 20 seconds, I don't know, and then you're going to delete the train. Good. That's gonna do that. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna randomize the load of the passenger train a little bit. Never did that one middle car. Alright, good. It's gonna be nice. Okay. Okay. It's all good. It's all really good. Now, what I need is the AI1 to leave. Eagletown 07, yes. Leave Eagletown 07. And who? AI1, of course. It's gonna be changing Eagletown 07. Now gonna be to the right. There we go. And while I'm at this, I'm going to also unlock all of these other junctions so that the player can use them to shunt around in the location because, well, they'll need to. So 06 followed by 05 followed by 04 and then 3 to 1. No, only 2 and 1. Because I don't want the player to go down that siding. And I don't want the player to accidentally crash into the passenger train. I'm gonna have to script that as well. So it fails if the... Oh gosh, it's fucking annoying. It's gonna be fun scripting the failure options on this on all of the sessions actually, because I need to pretty much check every possibility and make sure that it's protected. That the player just cannot couple to something he's not supposed to couple. Okay. Why is this one unnamed? Am I really that fucking stupid? There we go. That junction is now named correctly. Okay. There's no more junctions that are just named junction. Good. Okay, I need the AI train now to control a bit better. So I'm going to wait 1 second for it to get a little bit further away. And after that, we're going to do a simultaneous list. That's going to be the junction. We're also going to get a navigation point completion on that. I was like, where's the navigation? It's here. And it's location 4, navigation point 4 in 001. There we go. That's good. Let's do a consist check. Over here, I'm going to simultaneous list like that. I'm going to put it there. Objective add. And we're also going to get a objective update. I'm going to in the objective 01 is going to be marked as complete. We're going to add objective 02, which is going to be proceed forward. It'll be called transport. Transport flower to the no, not to the to Eagle Town. There we go. Wonderful. That should work. As a result, then we will have you know what? I'm gonna do it like this. That's gonna be 5 unload, but I'm gonna have intermediate stop. Not stop. Stop. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna modify the navigation display. I'm gonna do a intermediate stop over there. Require stop is gonna be icon is gonna be stop. Stop. There we go. Okay. Gonna be delete itself. Player when the player stops at intermediate stop, what's going to happen? What's going to happen is that the objectives are going to change and update themselves like this. Objective 02 is going to mark as complete, and we're gonna get a new objective 03, which is going to be called unload. The icon of unload flower in the breadery. Good. Junctions are gonna be nice and cool, but I am going to change these ones up so the player can, without issues, get to where he needs to go. 7, that's what 6 is gonna go to the left. Sorry, right. And number 5 gonna stay on the left. Everything else unchanged. Good. Okay. So now the player, as he enters the town, the AI is going to activate itself. Player will have to stop and wait over here. Oh fuck. Gonna be left. There we go. So gonna stop and wait. The AI will pass, and then the player can enter in, stop here, and he will get the objective to basically deliver the flower into the industry there. I'm also gonna do a sub message pop-up for this. And info. Alright, now I just need to shunt the cars to the, sorry, into the breadery and unload them. Alright, wonderful, nice. I'm going to do this as well. again, because player has to stop there obviously, but when I have this as my resource verify rule, I'm gonna add this per car. As far as I'm concerned, the player cannot load the cars again. Because I hope he cannot. It shouldn't be possible. NVIDIA, why the fuck do you want to update yourself now? Of all the times, are you just gonna do it as well? No, no, don't do it. Thank you. No, go fuck you. Thank you. Okay, resource verify. Gonna to watch the vehicle. Actually, it's going to be easier if I just copy paste it. I swear to God. Target couple 1. Q Ladung. Flower back palette. Amount 0. Falls below required amount. Okay, I wonder. Let's actually name them then, I suppose. That's the least I could do. Fellbound Torflore. 1, 2. I just named you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did I miss any? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one is couple 1. So that's 9 together. Alright, so I have to check 9 times. I'm gonna check 1. Ladung. Flower bag amount 1. There we go. Gonna be 2. Gonna be 3. Gonna be 4. Let's check this. Ladung, flower 1, fall below. Ladung, flower 1, fall below. Ladung, flower 1, fall below. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Ladung, flower 1 below. Ladung, flower 1 below. Ladung, flower 1 below. Ladung, flower 1 below. Good. Okay. Right. Nice and simple. For now, I guess. Save it so that I don't lose it. And when all of that is complete, when all of that is good, we're gonna do a simultaneous list. I think it's gonna be what I want to do. Objective update 03. No, I don't want to do an objective check. Fuck's sake. I'm too quick with my fingers. Or not quick enough. That is gonna be marked as complete. Also gonna be completing a navigation display. Which one? Number 6. Navigation point 6001. Save. Okay, gonna do a ordered list followed by sub messaging. All right. Thank you for the delivery. Ah! What are you doing there? You're not supposed to exist. There we go. You're welcome, sir. Oh. And you know what? At that point, let's just do a rank session complete. Just a small little, like, tiny, beautiful little session. Okay. So what do you guys say? Should we test it? The alpha version, whether it works? It should, right? Right? It should. Nah. I like the optimism already. Let's do it. It would be fun if I managed to nail it on the first try. One session per hour, essentially, programmed. Fucking hell, that would be amazing. That would be my new record. If I managed to do that. Well, it comes down to the test. Hey, 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 pa 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 pa. Nice. I like the sharpness. Here's a fun little route. Alright, let's get going now, I guess. The first snow-winter session. Seems like the junction has not switched. Alright, I guess we're not done in 1 hour. Actually, I still have like 30 seconds to be done within 1 hour. I completely forgot about that. Did I actually make it switch? I think I made it switch. I need to switch it to the left. Yeah. To the left. Which means this did not activate. What? Thomas Farmer 05. Did I get the correct one? Yes. Left. Left is on that side. What? Why did it not activate then? Hold on. Oh, I'm stupid! Why does it not activate? Oh, because the fucking rule is not configured to activate. Oh, amazing. Nice, alright. Now it should work. Hans, wait for the issues later or just send them to the DMs, please, so that I can stay on top of things. I would prefer that. The objective completed even though one car was not loaded yet. That's interesting. I mean, I did put in several checks for the cars to get loaded. Did you, like, load the entire train except for the one train car that I did not set a special check for? That train has like 30 cars that I do not exactly feel like putting in a load check on all of them. So did you like skip the loading on some of them? Because that's the only way I could explain of why you had that happen. It was the third or fourth from the back. Yeah, that one, yeah. It doesn't check for that one. I think the check is set... oh, I don't remember exactly, but I think it was like... the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, and the last car. But in a way, is that like... 7th car from the locomotive, then the 8th car from the previous check, then the 9th car from the previous check, and then the last car as a check. Because that's the way I put the checks in, on 4 or 5 cars in the consist. I think I've added also the one you have to couple to. Hour shot and loading glass batch. Yeah, that explains it. I guess I don't want to spend the time, like, doing the check on all of the cars. That's not fun. It takes so much fucking time to set up. I'll probably just skip that idea. But yeah, please be careful. I think I'm going to straighten this one junction. Maybe not. I don't think so, actually. No, I'm not gonna. Alright. Now we just roll. Nobody said it would be fun. Fuck you. Nobody said it would be fun, but I like to keep it fun. But yeah, I'm still going to say that this is a session done in 1 hour. Or programmed in 1 hour. I just need to test whether it actually works. Also, can you on Discord? Yep. I keep fighting the trees. It seems like they all have their own mind. As far as those flowers are not seasonal. I'm pretty sure I've used seasonal. This goes white. That's seasonal, but this doesn't. This is literally just a fucking flower. Why are you here? You are seasonal. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to check some of the clutter that I have. Probably change it up a little bit. But yeah, the clutter is also something that I keep fighting. Because it just seems to randomly appear out of nowhere. And the fucking grass as well. Like, I know some locations that I've gone over where I've deleted that grass from already, right? But then I go to the location again, and guess who's back? The fucking grass! It's weird. I'm gonna do a session with the limestone quarry as well. Soon, hopefully. I need to do these sessions in order, basically. So that I can keep the story flowing accordingly, basically. So yeah. That's why I'm figuring out the entire way of how to handle this. It's session number 7 out of 24, by the way. Yeah. Gradient is fun. I'm also gonna have to go ahead and replace the what's it called? The engine spec on the steamers so that they actually can be operational in realistic mode as well. But yeah. Okay, alright, now just chunk the cars in the battery and unload them. Alright. Let's do this nice and simple then. So that's a dead end that I need to go and unload into. Let's go from the other side. Can go faster if I wanted to, but nah, it's good. I need to stretch the stream for more view time, I guess. Passenger train is slowly climbing, that's good. That works. Alright, oh, for fuck's sake! I seriously forgot to unlock. Ah! And 5 as well. Really? 5 and 4 did not. Huh? I don't think I forgot those. Did I? There's no way I forgot those. It's 5 and 4. Edit session. Oh, they're all set to be unlocked. I'm gonna unlock them all. I guess. Except for 7. Don't change, don't change. Eagletown 4. What's in here? Eagletown 04, yeah, that's in here. Metros to be unlocked. Interesting. Anyways, I've added a second check, so now it should be better. Should. It should be better. Hopefully it will be as well. Jesus. Bonk. Gonna do this. Nice and easy. Boop. Wonderful. Go. Wonderful. Alright. Double check the junctions. Are you unlocked? Yes, you are. Wonderful. Nice. Thank you. Wonderful. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Alright. Yes. Okay. This is good. This is good. This is also good. Wonderful. Nice. It's so nice seeing the train slowly climb up. Definitely not going anywhere close to 10 kilometers per hour. Which is interesting that the AI just like does its own thing. Alright. The breadery. It's gonna be the production track. I have no idea how many I can actually fit in here, but a relatively good amount of train cars that I can fit here. Okay. What is that? Oh! That's... I think I can push it at one bit more, right? Should be able to. Oh, it's not gonna do anything now because that's all full. Okay. Tracks end in the wall over here. If I just like push it a bit there, is that gonna be... Oh yeah, that did it. That did it! Nice! Wonderful. Obviously no points because I didn't set it up, of course. But I did it! Woohoo! 1 hour and 20 minutes to program a session and test it. That's amazing, and it works. The only thing I need to add is just the points stuff and, you know, the failure options, but that's something I'm gonna be adding as a last kind of thing to all of the sessions. Right now I'm keeping it without failure options, except for maybe 1 or 2 sessions so far where I've just wanted to experiment around with the failure options. But yeah, no, generally I'm just keeping it without the failures now. And then in the end, after all the testing is done for like the main work of the session, is when I'm gonna be adding the failures for the sessions. But yeah, that's wonderful. That works. I guess that's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming for this relatively quick stream. I hope you've enjoyed. Have a wonderful, great morning, evening, day, night, afternoon, whatever, whenever, wherever you are. And I hope to see you guys next time again. 1 hour and 20 minutes to make a working session. Jesus. Is there a competition somewhere? I think I have an idea to pitch for entry. Alright. See you guys. Bye bye. Oh, what's up, Han? Oh, you can just message me on Discord. See ya, guys.